Hello everyone, it's Mr. Daryl and
Miss Leonor.
coming to you live from the Chester-Rye Public Library. This month we want to show you our December holiday craft. What's special about our December holiday craft is that we have three crafts in one. We have our Hanukkah craft,
Christmas,
and Kwanzaa. During this video, Miss Leonor is going to show you how to assemble your craft and what tools and equipments you need to put it together. But on behalf of the Chester-Rye Public Library, we just want to say Happy Holidays. Bye guys.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you our December holiday craft and how to put it together. As you can see, we have three crafts in front of us, so that makes this craft very special. For the holidays, we're going to be looking at Hanukkah, Christmas, and Kwanzaa. Each craft bag will have each of these sets, as well as a brief explanation of each holiday. All of you guys can read this with your family. As you can see, all these crafts are basically the same. They all have to be colored. So you're gonna need some crayons to color in your pieces and your paper, some scissors to cut them out after you've colored them, glue stick to glue them back on the paper, and for coloring you can also use some crayons, markers if you don't have crayons with you. Let's start with Hanukkah. So for each sheet they have very small instructions. First we're gonna do is color in your menorah, and then you're gonna color in your candles. For Hanukkah we have 9 candles that will go in each spot of the menorah. Let's start. After you have colored, cut, and pasted all your pieces onto your menorah, this is what the final product should look like. Now we'll do the same with Christmas. Christmas is a little different because you can color it in any color you want. Your ornaments, presents, you can color them to your liking. So after coloring, cutting, and pasting all your pieces onto your sheets, this is what the final product should look like. And same thing with Kwanzaa. With Kwanzaa, as you'll read in your instructions, this is a little different. We have 3 candles are gonna be red, 3 candles will be green, and 1 long candle will be black. Let's get coloring. And as you can see, after coloring, cutting, and gluing our pieces onto the craft, this is what the final craft should look like. I hope you had fun putting these crafts together. And remember, call the library to register to sign up for these crafts and others. And it's a limited supply, so call in now. Happy holidays.